Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and in today's video I'm taking you on a little Easter home tour. So we're kicking off the tour in our entryway. Now typically I don't decorate the whole house for Easter. I mainly just decorate the entryway and our main living area / kitchen. So yeah, we're starting off in the entryway, and I haven't done a lot. I've just kept my normal decorations up basically and just added a bit of Easter decor to it. So if I can remember where I got everything from, I will let you know, but if there's something that I missed, please ask in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer it. So starting here, I just have my new candle that you would have seen in my last vlog when I did a little Kmart Easter haul. That's my citrus candle. And this little bunny, I am pretty sure was from Kmart or the reject shop. I really can't remember. And then yeah, this floral display is always there. I just think it looks so pretty. And I have my little burlap bunny garland going across the top there, which was another recent purchase in my Kmart haul. And then moving down to this bunny picture, this was actually a gift bag that I picked up from Big W for a couple of dollars, and I've just cut it out and put it in a frame with some burlap behind it. And there you go, some quick and easy Easter decor. So this home sign, which I just used like a little tray, that was one of my purchases from my very first visit to the TK Maxx store here in Australia. I went to the one in Newcastle, so I need to go back there again. I've only ever been once and I absolutely loved it. This French country style egg was from Spotlight a couple of years ago, as well as the stand that it's sitting on as well. But they didn't come together, but they were both from Spotlight. And my little woodland style tiered tray, I've just decorated with a few little bunnies. Most of this decor in this tray is always here. I've just pulled out some of my regular items and replaced it with these cute little fluffy bunnies. Now all of those bunnies I'm pretty sure were from the Spotlight. These two were a DIY makeover that I've done on my channel as well, so I'll leave a link to my Easter DIY playlist as well. Those little vases were also a recent DIY that I did, giving them that stone, you know, the faux stone look. And there's another one of those little velvet bunnies. I'm pretty sure all of those were from Spotlight a couple of years ago. I haven't really bought much new Easter decor this year because I don't really go all out for Easter like I do at Christmas. So yeah, that's my little entry console table, all nice and decorated for Easter. This was also a furniture makeover that I did on my channel, and I can leave a link to that below as well. And my lanterns here, I think the smaller one was Kmart and the larger one was Spotlight. And then I just have one of these paper craft bunnies on this side here. I was going to give him a makeover, but I think at this stage I'm just going to keep him as is for now. He looks quite alright sitting there. And that's all I really have done in my entryway as far as Easter, apart from a couple of little bunnies that are on my chalkboard here. So I still haven't done any chalkboard art for Easter. I didn't do any for Christmas either. Well, yeah, I need to get into some chalkboard art and decorate this chalkboard for the seasons as well. So for now, I've just got two little velvety bunnies sitting there. They were both from Kmart last year. I think they were only about $2. I'm pretty sure they have got them back again this year as well. And you can also get them in green. I think I do have a set in green. So that is my entryway, decorated for Easter. Now moving on into the main living area. I'll give you a little scan first. So this is our, what it's called is a great room. It pretty much encompasses everything. So on my TV little cutout here, I've gone for the black and gold sort of theme. So all of my black and gold and white style bunnies I'll put all along here so that they kind of all tie in. That candlestick was a DIY I did at Christmas time. These little bunnies I'm pretty sure are all from Kmart, as well as this little set as well. They were all from Kmart, and those I'm pretty sure I've seen them available this year as well, and I think they're maybe $5 for the set. This one I'm not sure if it was Kmart or Spotlight. So that little Easter or big Easter egg there, I think it's a cookie jar. Yeah, either Kmart or Spotlight a couple of years ago. This little birdhouse I still need to give a makeover to. Moving on into the office area. I haven't done a lot here. I've just kept all my vintagey looking Easter decor here. So I have my DIY French country style vintage eggs that I did a couple of years ago on my channel, and I can leave a link to that video as well. I've just got them all stacked up in a little basket. I really enjoyed doing those, they were cute. Then these two, I'm not sure, I'd say Kmart, but I can't remember. And like I said, this was all a couple of years ago. And then I've just got another one of those French country style eggs sitting in a nest there. And then just this little guy, a little glittery, sequinedy bunny. I'm pretty sure he was from Bed Bath and Table. I've got a couple of little bunny ornaments from Bed Bath and Table, so I'll show you those. This little guy down here, he was definitely Kmart, and he's still available this year. And I've just put a painted pine cone in there instead of an egg. And then this little display here, the actual shelf itself was from the reject shop. All of these little bunny ornaments were from Bed Bath and Table, and these little pinky shabby chic type eggs were all a makeover or DIY that I did on my channel as well, and I can leave a link to that video also. And the big flowers, they were from a bunch from the reject shop. And those two little vases, they were part of that faux stone DIY that I did a couple of videos ago, just painting up some glass and ceramic vases to give them that stone look. This little bunny pillow was a recent purchase in a Kmart haul I did. Like I said, that was from Kmart, was only $8. This candle was also a recent Kmart purchase. That was $9. And these candlesticks are always there, but I've just replaced it with some pink candles that I will be burning throughout Easter. And this little guy was part of the Kmart Easter bunnies. And I have another one of these pillows here. They were only $8, guys, and they're such good quality. Like, they've got like a velvety finish on the back, and it's a nice sage green color on the back. And yeah, they're so cute. I have all my essential oils in this basket now for my air diffuser, which is just off on the kitchen bench. Then on this little side table, I've got a couple of little DIY Easter bunnies again that I've covered in some like a book paper or dictionary. I think it was Bible paper actually that they're covered with, so that's a DIY on my channel. These sprigs were from Kmart and I think Bed Bath and Table. And then these little bunnies I've also given a little bit of a makeover to. They were just plain plaster of Paris, so I've used some bicarb soda and given them a bit of a textured paint finish, and I really like the way they've come up. They actually look quite nice now. And I think all of those, they were like a painting kit that kids get, and I'm pretty sure they were all from Kmart. So they were just that plain plaster of Paris that kids can paint up. Those two vases I still need to do a makeover to, so that will be coming up shortly. So moving on to the dining table. Now the charger plates were a DIY I've done on my channel a couple of years ago, and this is my table setting for this year. I've kept it quite simple. Those two bunnies were from Kmart. The candle was IKEA, and then all the table runner was Kmart. The baby's breath was Kmart. The pink flowers were the Reject Shop, and the Easter eggs I'm pretty sure was Kmart as well. So yeah, and the pink placemats were Kmart. The charger plate was actually Kmart, but I've just given it an Easter makeover. And the napkins also Kmart. Everything's Kmart. So yeah, I try to do a different table setting each year. So I try not to look what I've done previous years so that I can just come up with some fresh ideas each year. So yeah, I just kept it pretty simple this time. Then looking into my kitchen, oh, and my little decor shelf. I absolutely love decorating this shelf. So this has got heaps of Easter decor on it. Oh, I love it so much. I'll give you a close-up and let you know where everything's from. Alright, so the white, I think all of these bunnies were from Kmart. So the little green set and the white one, they were all from Kmart a couple of years ago. And I do believe the little green ones are back again this year. The lavender archway was from the Reject Shop. Moving down to this shelf, the wreath was from Kmart. And the little wooden bunnies, that little blue wooden bunny and the two on the other side, they were all from Bed Bath & Table in their Easter sale a couple of years ago. So I would have got them like half price or something like that. And the big egg was from Kmart as well. Now all of these little bunnies, this blue egg and the little coloured bunnies, the ceramic ones, they were all from Bed Bath & Table. And the little velvet ones, oh, I think the little velvet ones were from Bed Bath & Table as well. And I just picked up some of that Easter shredded paper from the Reject Shop. And these little birds, I believe, were from the Reject Shop as well. And then I've just got two little bunnies down here. They were also from Bed Bath & Table, I believe. Oh, the rest of the decor is what's always there. The little terrarium was from Big W, and the set of 3 mason jars were from Spotlight. And then I've just got a couple of Easter tea towels there that were from, I think Spotlight a couple of years ago. So moving into the kitchen, this whole setup was from Kmart. The bunny, the little tree, the basket, the candles, the foam eggs, all from Kmart. This whole little basket was from Kmart. I really like this bunny. That's actually a money box, that bunny, but yeah, I'll just use him for decor. Really like my little Easter tree. Even Michael actually commented that he really likes that little setup there. I mean, and he never notices like decorations or anything, but he liked that setup. He likes the pink bunny. That's my collection of chopping boards. Notice my massive one in the middle, my new purchase from my recent Kmart haul. None of that decor has changed. I haven't added any Easter up there. Then on my sink here, I just have a little tiny, I've got an Easter tea towel here, which was from Kmart, and then this little Easter stand, cupcake stand or candle stand was from Kmart, and the candle was from the Reject Shop. And then this little guy, he was also from Kmart a couple of years ago, and I've just put a bunch of flowers in there, and all of that decor is always there. And then on my stove or my oven door, these are two new purchases that I picked up from Kmart. A set of 2 tea towels for $5. And then here is another DIY that I did. This is another Easter gift bag that I actually picked up from Kmart for $1. And I just cut out the gift bag and put it in a frame. And how cute is that? And I think this frame I'm going to use for all my seasons. So each season I'm going to try and find a nice little gift bag, cut it up and put it in this frame. One for Halloween, one for Christmas. So yeah, I think that looks so cute. And now my little Butler's pantry. So we have a few little Easter items here. These were everything you can see here is all from Kmart. The napkins in the little bucket are my recent purchase. These little guys I picked up a couple of years ago. And yeah, the new napkins and bucket was from Kmart this year. This little blackboard sign was Spotlight. And then those 2 little bunny mugs I picked up from the thrift store. The little egg cup guy, that egg cup guy was from Bed Bath & Table. And these set of 4 Easter plates were also from Bed Bath & Table. And I got them when they were like half price, so I think they were only like $2 or $3 each. And then this bunny and carrot, they were both from Kmart, but that was a silver glitter bunny. And I've just painted him with some green chalk paint, as well as the carrot. That was like a really bright orange carrot that I've just painted over with some white chalk paint just to mute it down a little bit. And I shared that DIY in my last vlog as well. These little Easter egg picks and the Easter bowl, that was all Kmart. The birds were a thrift store purchase, as well as the honey pot and the cake stand. They were all a thrift store purchase. These 2 little guys were from the Bed Bath & Table a couple of years ago. And I'm not even sure, I don't think that's not Ray Dunn, I don't think. It looks similar, but I don't think it is. These were thrift store items, not necessarily Easter, but... and again, all of these were from, the little Easter guys, the little Easter bunnies I'm pretty sure were from Bed Bath & Table. That's another one of those carrots that I've given a makeover to. Well, just painted it white really. And here's my little shelf. Now, having tiny little bunnies on this shelf doesn't make the teapots and teacups look so ridiculous anymore. But yeah. And here's another one. He was another glitter bunny as well that I've just painted with some green chalk paint. And I think he just matches so much better now. Oh, and here's my Sillier Than Sally design mug. I had to bring it out of my craft room and display it in my Butler's pantry with all my Easter decor. It just perfectly fits right in. All of this decor is normally here. Haven't decorated that big tray yet. I don't have any more Easter stuff, so I'm not going to. And then this little bunny, he's a light up bunny as well. He was from Kmart a couple of years ago. So yeah, I haven't got overboard in Easter decor, but it just gives a nice little Easter touch, I think. And I don't really want to get any more decor. I want to try and limit my Easter decor to 1 box. Well, I hope you've enjoyed that video, guys, and maybe it's given you some ideas or inspiration for your own Easter decorating. And yeah, it's probably very close to Easter by the time you see this video. So if it is, I hope you all have a really lovely Easter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.